It would appear as though Jack is foregoing his real pedals for one of those cheesy high school multi-pedals by Boss. So yeah, I guess as we get to play, he started playing metalcore the other day and was just like, well, better get the high school gear.
Hold on 1 second.
Oh, I was trying to turn it off. What's up?
Oh, okay. I can hear it in there.
So quick vote. If we have that call at 9, I want to definitely do the meeting beforehand, but in what order do we want to do things? Do we want to jam through everything first really quick and then have the meeting, or do the meeting first and then jam through everything real quick?
Still, it's touch and go. She's still...
Yeah. Have you gotten to her bed or anything?
There you go. Perfect.
You gotta move the camera.
You want to just raise it up a little bit?
I'm just trying to make sure this is centered because I have the viewfinder off and...
I like that one.
He's leaning forward. Should I have leaned forward a little bit?
I think
No, I was doing that. I was doing that for purposes, for reasons. I wanted that kind of imposing look.
What are we doing?
Should have done Nate and Jack back to back.
Yep.
Yeah,
So this Taddy's.
some people I'm going to Lime Green on Tuesday, and people are like, "Oh, so you're like doing like the male version of Billie Eilish?" I was like, "Oh my gosh, what's like mine?"
For Eyes Within?
Eyes Within, yeah.
Okay. I almost said birds and I was like, wait.
We'll be good.
Yeah, because I got to head out here in a little bit.
Everyone holding the wrong gloves, right? What do I do? I can just unplug this?
Oh, hit the...
Where do I fit into this whole
I
picture?
feel like we should
You're the drummer,
switch,
just like...
so
Well, actually, no. Okay, so Nate, trade places with. Yep. So like that.
This is not Birds of Squalor.
This is Birds of fucking fantastic amazingness!
Now I gotta
Once his clip's
fucking
like
film
6
it.
inches, she's basically a dude.
You put yourself in this position.
He's got to look right here. Look here, all sensual.
Softcore
Oh my god, that's fucking...
That's fine.
We'll catch it before it falls.
Touch it with your thighs.
There you go.
Yeah, with your thighs.
Alright.
I can't handle this anymore. Why am I a part of this?
Balls though.
What's happening right now, Jamie?
I'm failing at pool.
Welcome to another night of Birds of Squalor band practice!
We even have Brock here trying to do some pre-mixing on our recording of our EP. Yes. Just exporting some stems, you know, just a normal Thursday. What'd I say?
Burger King.
Oh yeah, Booourger King. Is that some woundies? Looks like some wound. Are those chicken nuggets? It looks like chicken nuggets.
Nice. Yeah, so you just open and then you're following it, barring it pretty much. That's pretty
Obviously,
fucking cool.
obviously, there's some dynamics there that we need to work. We would work on, but.
Drinking with the band. Yeah. Chris is here. You get to go on
And just kind of just like a down, out, down, down.